Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Ahmed Sekat, and I will present you a support for high efficiency image format that we made in GPAC. Okay. So my name is Ahmed Sekat. I work on the GPAC team, and I will present you support for high efficiency image format in GPAC. So, as usual, for those who don't know GPAC, GPAC is a multimedia framework, a multi-platform multimedia framework. It's under the LGPL license, and it's hosted on GitHub. Basically, we have two sets of tools. MP4 box, which you may know, it's a worldwide reference for MP4 file manipulations. And the second tool, it's MP4 client, which is a player. It's a bit more than a simple video audio player. It's halfway between a player and a browser. And here is the presentation that we made before here in FOSDEM last year's. So what is HEIF? HEIF is a new image container format. It's derived from ISO BMFF and with some image-specific constructs, boxes. And it may contain individual images or image sequences like bursts or image metadata. It's codec agnostic, originally designed for HEVC, still picture, and officially supports EVC still and GPAC. We have like a lot of nice features like image transformations, for example, rotation, mirror, or grid overlays. There is also additional image plans like alpha masks. We can add thumbnails, cover images, or hidden images. You can also do codec optimizations, and we have progressive refinement also. So the design of HEIF container is based on the ISO BMFF construct, which is supported on GPAC. So for a single image, you can store it as an item in the meta box, and you can also share properties like transformation rules and data, like parameter set and the tile data with other images. You can also store image sequences as a usual track, is a BMFF track, but with the new handled type called picked. Here we have the different brands and file extensions. There is a lot of brands. For example, we have HEIC for one picture and HEVC for a sequence of pictures, and they both support HEVC. So why would you use HEIF? In terms of coding, it's two type better. It's two type better compression than JPEG when it used HEVC, and it allows the partitioning of a picture into tiles. We have also multiple image in the same file. It's efficient in terms of storage of image bursts and HGR images. It keeps links between a master image and its derived version. And it's extensible format. You can add your own codec if needed, and not restricted just to images. You have the possibility to include other media type like texts and audio. So here we have some commands that you can use to generate and to extract using MP4 box. So the first command will take the first image of the HEVC file and create a meta box and add one image item, make it a primary item, and add the HEIC brand to the output file. The second command will do the same thing, but with for the next IDR frame after the given time, and add the HEIX brand. And the last one will take the tile tiled each EVC stream and generate one item per tile and one item for the whole for the on-chair image. So thank you, and if you need any other information, you can refer to these links. And thank you.
Is there any question? Yes, I'm coming.
What I wanted to ask are you happy with the format? Do you think it was something that we all waited for? Well, I'm an FFmpeg developer, and we have like, let's say, 4 or 5 different samples. And there was a patch, and the patch was really huge. I mean, it was far too big for a patch that just supports a new container, that just supports a variant of an existing container format. And the patch doesn't work on the actual sample files we have. So apparently this format is so much more complex than anything we have seen so far, and this includes MXF, that I wonder now, why was that necessary? Or maybe I don't understand it, so perhaps you can explain it.
I don't have a specific explanation, but I just know that there is like a lot of advantages you can use, and
Okay.
That's why we implement it in GPAC, and that's why we added the support in GPAC. So.
Okay, and so your player, MP4 client, can actually display HEIF images.
Yeah. We have a support for in the MP4 client.
Yeah.
But we still improving it.
Immediately able to support it, and nobody is actually working at it, so as far as I know, and the reason is basically that it seems surprisingly complex for an image format.
You can say that, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Another question?
It was not that difficult.
Last chance for another question. No? Okay, thank you, Ahmed.
Thank you.